Hey, Michael Bowen here, Florida Man Rides. Alright, so if you haven't been out to the marsh since Hurricane Ian, let's take a real quick tour. We're going to see a few of the stops and see where the water's at. Alright, let's go. So we went straight to the yacht club. Here it is. Water all the way up to the building. Absolutely, this is crazy. Alright, so let's get back underway. Like I said, it's a real quick tour. We're not stopping for long. Alright, so we're going to take the first cut back into the marsh here after the yacht club. This is the back door into the marsh. As you see, water all the way through. So here's a satellite image of the cut that we're currently riding down and the marsh that we're coming up to. This is crazy. It looks like we're just pulling up to the edge of the lake. No, this is supposed to be marsh area. Just wow. Haven't seen this flooded in quite a while. Alright, so let's keep moving. Like I said, this is a whirlwind tour. We ain't got no time to be stopping. Alright, so coming up to the road crossing in the marsh. It's not much more than a speed bump right now. Here's the square pond. Look at that. People got pulled up on the mound just to get out of the water. Daggone mud boat made it all the way back here. So we're going to punch out here at Kissimmee. We're going to go straight across to the back side of the milk bus. The cut of the milk bus is wet all the way through as well. So I'm going to do a nice leisurely turn here. Whoop, 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 whoop. The water's a lot deeper than I thought it was. I better get back on the throttle. Let's go. this lead boat that we're crossing right now is nice enough to give me the heads up that there's one more boat following behind me. And when we come up to him, look at that, I'm thinking, well, why fight over the trail? It's all water. Let's just give him the trail. So we stopped at the ridge just long enough to take a quick break, and we get right back on it. Like I said, we don't have a lot of time out here today. It's been a long time since I've seen the water this high. Look at that. It's barely contained by the canal banks. And you can see water on the other side of the bank. Alright, so that's it for our whirlwind tour of the marsh area after Hurricane Ian. Our thoughts and prayers go out to those who were more affected by the hurricane than we were here in Central Florida. But we're going to enjoy the water that it brought and the high waters that it brought to our marsh. Alright? Hey, hope to see y'all out there. Alright, keep chasing them wet spots. I am Michael. See you out there.